In this guide, you'll learn how to deposit funds using TC Pay on FXNX. Let's get started. From the home screen, tap the deposit button. Choose TC Pay as your payment method. Enter your deposit amount or pick a preset. The minimum is $10. Tap Confirm. Review your deposit details: method, amount, and fee. Tap Confirm Deposit. The TC Pay gateway opens in a new tab. Log in with your Topchange credentials and complete the payment. Back on FXNX, you'll see a green checkmark confirming your deposit has been submitted. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!